onion versus barbecue daddy. They're telling me they don't need barbecue daddy because they're used to their onion. Let's settle it right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it going. See who wins. The Armortech mesh head scrubs all of this gunked on stuff, steam cleaning your grill. Look at that. Need a little bit more scrubbing power? Flip it and give it a scrape. Look at the steam. Bam. And there it is. The competitor, the onion. So it just gets hot and slimy. Now here's the problem. I can't put any pressure right here the way I can with barbecue daddy. There's no scrubbing power at all. This is horrible. I'm telling you guys, it doesn't work. It gets slimy. It just spreads everything. It doesn't steam clean. Promise you, barbecue daddy's works out. Well, gotta bring daddy in to finish the job the old onion couldn't do.